People, welcome back. Today we're going to be showing you some more about the Paiseec D3 mobility scooter. So first off, we're going to start with going ahead and folding this puppy down. We're going to take these red knobs, there's one on each side. We're going to pull them up towards us and push that chair down just like that. Now with these arms, we're going to go ahead and pop these up and bring them all the way back, and that's going to give us the ability to fold this all the way down. To fold down our stem, we're just going to go ahead and unscrew right here down at the base. Once that's all the way unscrewed, then we can just simply move that down like so. And then we can just go ahead and screw that back on, kind of keep it in place, and then not lose that piece as well. Now our front basket, it just easily slides right off like that for storage. Now we're just left with the unit itself, the D3. Now the Paiseec D3 does have grab bars both forward and back, so it allows you to simply pick this up and roll it around with ease. Now we're going to go ahead and put this into the trunk of our electric car. Check this out. Now at only 39 pounds, the Paiseec D3 is light and maneuverable. I'm going to go ahead and attempt to put it into our electric car on my own using the front and rear grab bars. And yes, I can definitely lift that up on my own. And look at that. That easily fits in our trunk slash storage area of our hatchback electric vehicle. Plenty of room. Let me go ahead and push it forward all the way. Still have plenty of room here. And we'll have our basket right there. We can just close that up and be on our way. Look at that. Now we're going to go ahead and take out the Paiseec and show you how easy it is to fold it back up. Okay, we have it out of the car. We're just going to go ahead and unscrew this so then we can put up our front post. Okay, with our front post securely screwed in, we're just going to simply raise up our seat. We're going to push back on it and it's going to click into place. Here's that click again. Go ahead and listen. Here it comes. There it is. Now we're just going to go ahead and put up our armrests, and we are ready to go in just moments. Now we do have two batteries, airline approved batteries, so you can take this. I'm just going to go ahead and wiggle them out a little bit. Down on the bottom we're going to have our reset, and then we're also going to have our charging port right there. So again, two batteries. Our first one is right here, second back here. Just wiggle that right out. Same exact setup underneath. And if you did want to take off the pad right here, the seat pad, it's just Velcro, so it's very easy to do. The same for the seat back, it is Velcro as well. So very easy to take off. And again, that does have our back pouch in there as well. All right, everyone, thank you so much for watching. We really appreciate it. If you have any more questions about the Paiseec D3 mobility scooter, make sure to check out the links below. And until we see you again, keep your nose clean. Bye-bye.